We have a local guide today with us, and that's Shivaji. Total.
Hey, what's up everyone? From the title you would have understood the place where we're heading is called Kaigal Falls, and this trip we had done last year, and I'm editing the video because we did not have a lot of footages, and at that point of time we did not have any intention of vlogging it and any kind of a random videos that we had done last year, and I'm editing it now, and I made sure from now on henceforth I'll try to edit as many videos as possible that I have in my archive. So the place is actually 2 kilometers away from the main road where we have to stop our vehicle. There is no provision for vehicles to go inside, and we have to go by walk, and we saw a lot of trashes. Please don't trash these places.
Bad. Look at the water, so clean. And you can see the fishes inside this water, and just the foam, otherwise the water is quite clean. Shivaji jump. You can do that. Slow motion, it will come like.
This place is actually good during June and October season because you get a lot of water there, and when you see the place, it actually looks like a painting. Try to sit there and relax because there is nothing much to see other than the waterfall, and there is a linga in the center of the waterfall.
Grip ಇದೆ. Whoop. We came to Kaigal Falls. This girl is a Neerane.
This guy is yummy. Look at him. Look at his tummy. How is it? How big?
Look at her.
Look at her.
She is Neerane. She is Neerane.
And he fell also. He fell down.
He
broke his bum also.
How is broke, Shivaji? Water elephant.
How did you feel, Shivaji? Tell me how.
Say again, water elephant. It is she water elephant.
So the name Kaigal Fall comes from the village Kaigal, and people here, the localites, also call it as Dumkarulu Falls. That means the sound of the waterfall sounds like the falling of the stone. So that's what it's called as Dumkarulu Falls. So now we are done playing in the waterfall. We had the best time here. If I have to recommend, I would suggest you to come to this place. It is not very far from Bangalore. It is around 130 kilometers from Bangalore and 25 kilometers from Mulabagilu and around 30 kilometers from Palamaner. And this place is actually has a mix of everything, from driving to trekking to waterfall to water pond and to a religious place and linga. So you can have a nice picnic here with your family, with your friends also. It's just that I could not give you a lot of footage about this place because we did not have any intention of vlogging here, and plus my drone broke, so I could not give you a good aerial view of this, and I'll try to fix that next time and give you better shots of the places that I go. See you next time. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you.